From the vastness of space, a hidden chessboard emerges across northern Idaho's forests, a surreal mosaic etched by human hands over 2 centuries ago. This isn't a cosmic anomaly or a modern design project. It's a relic of 19th-century forestry, where loggers and planners devised a grid system to balance timber harvesting with forest regeneration. The result? A checkerboard pattern so precise it spans 5 miles and contains roughly 185 squares. Visible even from orbit. But here's where it gets controversial. While some praise this as a triumph of sustainable land use, others argue it's a cautionary tale of how rigid systems can shape ecosystems for generations. Let's break it down. Picture this. In the 1800s, foresters divided the land into squares, each roughly the size of 24 football fields. The pattern only becomes strikingly visible under snow. Fresh snow blankets younger, sparser saplings in bright white squares, while dense, mature forests remain dark. The contrast is so vivid that astronauts have snapped photos of it from the International Space Station. And this is the part most people miss. The same sunlight angle and topography that make the pattern pop also reveal the subtle scars of logging roads crisscrossing the grid, remnants of a bygone era. The Priest River, once a lifeline for log drivers, tells another story. For decades, timber was floated downstream to sawmills, a risky but efficient method. By the 1990s, however, roads replaced rivers as the primary transport route. Today, those logging roads form a web across the checkerboard, visible even from space. This shift sparked debates. Was prioritizing road transport over rivers a win for safety and efficiency, or a loss for the environment? Some experts argue the roads have fragmented habitats, while others see them as a necessary adaptation to modern needs. So, what does this 19th-century grid mean for today's forests? It's a living archive of human ingenuity and its unintended consequences. The checkerboard reminds us that land use decisions have ripple effects for centuries. As climate change reshapes ecosystems, could this pattern offer lessons for future forestry? Or does it highlight the dangers of rigid, one-size-fits-all solutions? We'd love to hear your take. Is the Idaho checkerboard a triumph of balance or a symbol of outdated planning? Share your thoughts below, and let's spark a conversation.